Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can view the campaign recommendation on Tool4seller app. So for viewing that, first of all just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the function section. We can just see the functions in the bottom in the right side of the alert section. We can just see the functions right there. Just tap on the functions here. So when we reach the functions, we just need to scroll down. So after scrolling down, we can see in the PPC optimization section, we can just see the campaign recommendation right here. So this is where we can view the campaign recommendation on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.